Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcade. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another topic in Java using BlueJ IDE, and the problem is that to take a number as input using scanner class and find out the factorial of that number. So what is a factorial? Suppose factorial of 10, then the result will be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, that means when we find out the factorial, then from that number just go up to 1, all digits should be multiplied. Okay, and it will provide the output of the factorial of that number. Okay, so here I'm using BlueJ IDE version 4.1.4, and here I will write the code to find out the factorial of a number in BlueJ IDE. Okay. So this is the BlueJ IDE. Now here I will write the code to find out the factorial of a number and the number which is taken as input through scanner class. Okay. At first just create the new class. So press the new class button and suppose we put the name of the class Factorial. Okay, and press OK. So this is the class file, and just open the editor. So within that editor, by default something written within that, so just delete it. So just write our class name, class Factorial. Okay, and here we define our main method. So just write public static void main and send as argument string array. So string args. Okay, and here as input is concerned, so here I just import java.util.scanner class. Okay, because we take the input through scanner class. Okay, now at first we define some variable. Suppose define int n. So within that variable we take the input and take another variable I and another variable fact. Within that variable we just store the result. Okay, so as interactive way, we first write system.out.println and just write within double quote enter the number, double quote ent, parenthesis close, semicolon. Okay, so now after that we should instantiate the scanner class. So just write scanner s equal new scanner and send as argument system.in. Okay, and after what we take input within the variable n, means whatever the input we have taken just stored within the variable n. So just write n equal sc dot next int. So we know that through the scanner class whatever the input we have taken, which is our string, so we just convert it as a integer. So that's why we're using next int method. Okay, now here we should define a for loop. So just write for I equal to 1, I less equal n, because we know when we find out the factorial, so it is just multiplied from that number to 1, all the digits just multiplied. Okay, so that's why just write I equal to 1, I less equal to n, means I into 2 into 3 into 4 into dot 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 n minus 1 into n. Okay, and I plus plus. So increment is just go 1. Okay, and within this for we are just write what? We are just calculate the result of factorial and store within the variable fact. So just write fact equal fact asterisk I. Okay, so it just calculate the multiplication result within the variable fact. Okay, now close this for, means within this fact get our result of factorial. Okay, so now after what we just print the result. So just write system.out.println and just write within double quote factorial result is, now double quote end and just write plus fact, because within this fact variable we store the result. Okay, now after close our main method and then close our class Factorial, then compile it and then close it, so there is no error. So just right click on this Factorial class file and just call main method. So within the console, just enter the number. Suppose we put the number 5. So factorial result is 120 because 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 120. Okay. Again, suppose if we again run this main method and suppose we put the particular number is 1, factorial result is 1 because we know factorial of 1 is 1. Okay. I hope you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcane. I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcane. Thank you and bye-bye.